Alright, so we got these nylon rollers top and bottom here that break the bead, and then we'll flip up this head. And when I'm working on aftermarket wheels, anything with a finish that we don't want to scratch up, what I do is I throw a layer of this cling wrap around there, plastic wrap, and it just kind of helps in case, you know, there's some dirt on this wheel. It's not super clean, and so sometimes that grime can get between the wheel and the tire, and if it's like, you know, gets pinched in there, it'll scratch the finish, or maybe just a little rock chip or something like that. This stuff not only protects from that, but it also just keeps any of the tire goop off the wheel and just keeps everything cleaner. Comes off really easily when we're done putting the tire on. And it's super easy, cheap solution. We're gonna lube up this tire. And that cling wrap just comes right off. And as you can see, the edge of the wheel is just clean. There's no need to wipe it down or take any extra time doing that. I like to try out different brands of tires. This time we went with some Falcon Wild Peaks. This is the HT2s. Last time we were running the Cooper Discovers. They did really well. They lasted me a year. About 40,000 miles is what we put on the van last year. go ahead and throw this one on the balancer. I could not get this to bead up in the band, so we're going to go ahead and give it a bead blast out here and see if we can't get the bead to seat. That worked beautifully, so we're just going to go ahead and air up this tire and then we'll move on to balancing. All right, next we're going to balance this wheel. We've already measured a wheel from the same vehicle on here, so we're good to go. We're just going to give it a quick spin. On alloy wheels, we only use sticky tape weights. The only time we ever use a knock-on weight is on a steel wheel. Obviously, an aftermarket wheel, you wouldn't put a knock-on weight on the outside anyways, so it would damage the face and have a very ticked-off customer. But also, knock-on weights on alloy wheels can cause corrosion, and they can cause the bead to leak. We've seen it tons of times. It's just better to use sticky tape weights, in my opinion. And it's really not that much extra work. So prep the surface. And we'll put on the prescribed amount. Go ahead and give it a check spin. Looks like it wants a little bit more weight. That looks good.